channel, you guys. So this is a sponsored video featuring Vivi Baby hair. Now they did send me their 99J body wave unit, and this is at 24 inches at 180% density. Now I did go ahead and decide to do some curls in it just because it's already a body wave. So normally if it's a body wave, now if I want to do some curls in it, I just blow dry the hair on my mannequin head before I go ahead and install it. Just blow dry it to make it straight just a little bit, and then I go ahead and curl it. I did do some slight curls in this hair. Again, I did some big sections, which you guys will see later on in the video, because I just don't like doing little bitty sections. I just think it takes longer when you do that, and I just need you guys to focus mainly on the front of the hair. You can see just some slight curls in this unit. It looks like they fall right into each other. I did slightly do some layers a little bit in the front, and then spray some got2b glue to make my, you know, my bangs stay like this way, keep it flowed. So I'm actually very happy to actually do a burgundy unit, because I haven't done a burgundy unit in a while. Normally if I do a burgundy unit, it's more so on the straight side, but I think I did another one that was curly before then. But yeah, I don't do many burgundy units, but I'm really happy about this unit. I do think it's the perfect burgundy. It does go into my skin tone. Makeup is on point, so I'm really happy about this install and how the curls came out. Before we get into the details of this unit, remember, if you are new, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you're hitting your post notification bell so you don't miss an update every time I post. You guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into the details of this unit. Again, as you guys can see, I did do some layers just in the front of my hair just so that I can go ahead and get some bangs. The only time I can remember that I didn't probably do some layers is on one unit, and it was a black unit, and it just flowed. I didn't really have to do any layers in it, but sometimes, you know, those layers, it really fits your face, especially like I feel like my features are just bam, my features are here, my eyes are chinky, my face is like fuller, so I just feel like me layering it and having some bangs in the front, I just feel like it'll just bring out everything in my face. But most definitely, if you want to curl this unit or even keep it as a body wave, because it's naturally a body wave, and the body waves in this unit is definitely beautiful. I just wanted to do something that'll just, you know, show off the hair just a little more, show more volume in the hair, which I think that's exactly what it did. This wig does take heat very, very well. I'm just like really happy how these curls came out, you guys, and the curls aren't too much. I just feel like they look like natural, you know, falling curls. They look so good. And then again, this is a body wave, so it's just gonna fall, you know, right into a body wave. All I gotta do is like probably comb it out, and it'll be just simply just a body wave unit. So that's the good thing about curling a unit that already has a body wave, because when you curl it, you don't have to worry about like it all getting straight again, because since it's a natural body wave, it's just gonna fall right into the naturalness of body wave. As far as the lace on this unit, you guys, this is a natural hairline, so that's what I really liked. If you guys noticed, when I was showing you guys the lace, it naturally blended in with my hairline, so I couldn't wait to cut it just so that I could see how good it blends. And I'm telling you, you don't have to bleach these knots at all. It's a natural hairline, so just use your Got2b glue, just stick it on there, and it naturally blended in literally with my skin tone. So I really love that about the lace. The lace is it looked like it had a little bit of clearness to it. I wasn't sure how it was gonna look when I put it on, but right when I put it on, like, it's definitely exactly what it says. It's natural to the hairline. So I love lace units that are not too much, and I don't have to like try so hard to blend it. Gotta do extra. So for my ladies who are beginners, you don't have to get this unit bleached or anything like that. If you don't want to, you can just simply just blend it in with some concealer or some foundation, if that's, you know, something that you use. This unit is a 13x4 as well, which is something you guys also seen, so you don't have to do a middle part like me. You can definitely do a side part. I just feel like middle parts are just my go-to. I just feel like they fit my face and everything just flows. But you can do an updo look, side part to the left, side part to the right. It also comes with lace in the back, so you can do an updo look as far as like a bun or a ponytail. That's not really something that I've really done, so yeah, but you do have that option. As you guys can see, I did just lay some baby hairs down on the sides. Didn't really do too much. Again, with those 13x4s, to me, I have to focus just a little bit more on 13x4s just to make sure they're more precise. You can't really see, like, they're laid down on the sides, but they're not super secure on the sides. I'm not really worried about my wig going anywhere, so I don't always like make sure that this part is down on the sides. It's just fine the way it is. I still put Got2b glue right there. It's just I'm more so focused on this middle part because I love my middle part so much. And you know, I'm not one of those girls that does baby hair all here, all here, all here. Maybe if I have a stylist that does it, most likely you'll see that, but me, I'm real simple. Middle parts, baby hairs here, and we're good. I don't know if this hair is pre-plucked, but I did find it very easy to part this hair. I do know sometimes, again, with 13x4s, you want to make sure that your parting is really precise, even if you're doing a side part, because you just have more lace to move around and stuff. So I just feel like with this one, it was so easy just to find like that spot where I wanted to part it down the middle. Very easy. And then I just plucked it a little bit. Again, I do think that it's already kind of pre-plucked, so I just had to, you know, pluck it just a little more to my liking and just make it a little more natural. And with this being a burgundy unit, like, I feel the same way about the way I feel about blonde units. I feel about burgundy units, units with color. You don't really have to, I feel like you don't have to bleach. You don't have to bleach the knots. I just feel like you don't really have to do that. I just feel like since the unit is already like colored and it's coming straight out of the roots, which is connected to the lace, I feel like you don't really have to do any type of bleaching. I mean, I've seen it be done. You could still do some bleaching on the lace, but it's just one less thing you gotta do, ladies. Like, just one less thing you gotta do. It does have some flyaways. I'm gonna try to get these down. Yeah, this unit has a couple of flyaways, not too bad though. This unit is a yaki texture for sure. Definitely yaki, but still super duper natural. My hands are going straight through this unit. There is no tangling, there is no shedding with this unit. It's very easy to comb through, and like I stated before, you guys, this unit does take heat very well. I just think this is the perfect burgundy. Like, this is so freaking perfect. Like, they have those really like light burgundies, and then they have the dark burgundies. Yes, this burgundy is perfect. Very perfect. Now, you will get some bulkiness with this unit as well. I definitely suggest, this time I used my spritz, y'all. I was on point this time. I definitely used my spritz. Also used my Got2b glue, and thankfully it didn't come out with that, you know, residue when I use the spritz or the Got2b glue. There's no residue like on my hair. You have to go ahead and adjust the straps. So if you're a bigger head girl, you will have plenty of room. If you're a smaller head girl, you already know what to do. There's plenty of room as well. So you can actually crisscross the straps if you want to, just to make it, you know, fit. But for my bigger head girls, all you need to do is probably adjust it to the second or third strap, and then you'll be just fine. I will say, be careful with the wig cap you use, because the wig cap I use today is super light, and you could definitely see it through the lace. So make sure, if you're going to use a lighter stocking cap, that you blend. You need to blend very well if you're going to use a light stocking cap, because you will see it. Especially if you're going to do like an updo or something and all that lace is there. Definitely, I don't know, you'll probably want to bleach it. Just depends on what type of stocking cap you use. People don't really talk about stocking caps, but I just feel like if you're not a professional person that does hair or anything like that, and you're just doing it yourself, like a do-it-yourselfer like me, definitely, depending on what hairstyle you do, you may want to bleach the knots. This one was pretty safe because you don't see that much lace. The middle part is just like simple. That's just what it is. But maybe if you're doing a side part and updo, you probably want to wear like maybe a darker stocking cap. This unit will cost you $265 on the website, and again, this is for a 24-inch. I definitely feel like it's worth that. This is definitely long for a 24-inch, and I actually curled it and it's still giving good length. Now, if you can't afford to do like $265 all in on one lump sum, they do have quad pay. I've actually used quad pay a lot. Like, quad pay is definitely something that I use. I haven't used it as of lately, but it's definitely something that I use. So you can either do the $265, or you can do quad pay payments, which will be about $66 for the first payment, and then 2 weeks after that you'll just be paying it down for $66. So I do find that when they have quad pay, afterpay, Klarna, stuff like that, that stuff definitely does help, especially if you don't feel like paying that lump sum like right when you're trying to buy it and you need it as soon as possible. You know, or if you just feel like you can't like afford all that at once, you can use the quad pay and go ahead and just pay that $66 every 2 weeks. It does range from a 16 to a 26 inch, so you have those options there. You can choose between 150% density, 180% density. Also, you can choose what type of texture: Brazilian, Indian, Malaysian, Mongolian. They have different types of textures you can actually choose from as well, so that's also a good thing too. That will be the end of this video. Remember, if you are new, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you're hitting your post notification bell so you don't miss an update. Make sure you like this video, comment below, share, and I will see you guys in my next one.